2,957 miles on a 15 Breakout. This sucker's nice. LED headlight, custom grips, custom mirrors, Screamin Eagle high flow air intake, Vance and Hines swept pipes, low mileage, very, very nice condition. Swingarm bag. This thing had to have been garage kept. It is a really nice bike. It's got the custom driver pegs and custom passenger pegs. The machined ones that look like they're knurled. Same thing with the brake lever. Well, if you're interested and you've always wanted a Breakout, come on down, take it for a test ride. Breakouts do not last long, believe me.